Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a ConvertKit account. And the first thing I want you to do is come here on kit.com because now it's called just Kit. And then come at the top right, click on Start Free Trial, or you can click here as well. By the way, there's no credit card that is required. And you just need to let Cloudflare basically verify you. So give this a few seconds and then it should redirect you right here where you will be creating your account. So enter your name, okay, and your email address as well as the password. Once you're done entering those, just click here on I have read and you agree to the terms and service. So click on that, click on get started, okay, and then just let it redirect you to the onboarding sign up page. So they'll basically ask you if you've used any tool like this, your audience size, basically to learn more about you so they can tailor it according to your needs. Just go through this process and just choose what you would like to achieve with Kit, and then you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Okay, and that is how you create a ConvertKit account.